Hey everyone, welcome to all guys. Do you want to know about vanilwisk.com reviews? If yes, then do not worry because in the next few minutes we are going to update you with the unbiased review. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, if you have not received your product or got damaged product, then you must watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. On the other hand, citizens from United States are curious to know about the legitimacy of this particular website, and if you're one of them, then stay tuned with us. So this is the homepage of this website, guys. It is an online shopping store that is claiming to offer women's fashion wear, including casual dresses, tops, two-pieces sets, dresses including mini, midi, maxi dresses, spring and summer collection. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, as you can check. You can also check particular product according to your desired option or requirement. So they have provided the size chart and the limited description about the dresses or tops. And moving on to the payment information, let's check out the payment method section, but they have not provided the different payment method section on the side. So let's find out the payment information, guys. Again, they have not provided the payment information in the FAQ section. So let's check out the payment info by adding it to on the cart. So you can see you can make the payment via PayPal, guys. The PayPal is the payment method here. You can also make the payment via credit card, including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Diners Club, and Amex. So this was the payment information. Now, talking about the shipping policy of this website, click on the shipping and delivery information page. So they have provided the postal and express shipping duration, which is 35 business days, and they have also mentioned a note that free shipping for order over $79. On the top of the web page, they have mentioned 40% off site-wide free shipping over $79. So this was the shipping information, but guys, we would like to inform you that they have copied the theme and format of shipping policy page from other problematic sites, which is a negative sign, of course. So in the context of other information, let's check out the company's information. But before going further, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. You know why? Because it will help you guys to get the notifications each time. So without ado, let's get started and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this domain name was created on 23rd of March 2021. So this site was recently created before 3 months, guys. This site can't be trusted and it is only registered for 1 year. This signifies that the site comes with short domain life expectancy. However, moving on to the company's information, click on the company info about us page. And they have provided improper about us information. On the other hand, no info is available regarding brand connection or business establishment here as well, which is a negative sign. On the other hand, moving on to the contact us page, they have provided the query form in the contact us page, but no details are available, including contact number and official address. But yes, they have provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a plus point. Moving on to the social media presence of the site, guys, the site comes with no social media account handles, which is again a negative highlight. This really makes the site quite bogus and dubious. So coming to the return policy of the site, click on the return and exchange policy section. They are providing 30 days of return policy. So guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding return of the product. In the context of vanilwisk.com reviews, guys, the site has various positive comments on the some products that are listed on the site. So let me show you the number of positive comments. However, we have found 4.9 star rating out of 5 on another platform, but those reviews can't be trusted because of the entire positive ratings. And many customers said the quality of the product is amazing. It is such a beautiful dress. However, you can see these positive comments from customers. One of the customers said, I absolutely love this blouse. I bought the large and it fits great. But guys, no one can trust on these customer reviews. Thus we can't claim this site legit because we have found the business trust ranking of this site, which is 1%, you can say 1.4%, and the low trust index score of this site is 1%. So yes, no one can easily claim the site legit. However,